Hey, Space Nation, Aaron here, and right now I want to walk you through the space vacuum game. Definitely one of my favorites. It's fun to play, but more importantly, it gets me a lot of bonus points, assuming I don't mess it up. I kind of play a little high risk, high reward. So I'm gonna go here and start. I'm gonna fast forward through an ad here. Okay, so we saw that fast forward through that ad. Now I'm getting ready to go. Quick thing here at the top of the screen, you'll see the timer. That is my most important key thing. I'm always trying to go as fast as possible. So I'm going to show you going to try and zoom through this kind of quickly, but my big thing is always trying to keep that timer with as little time off as possible. Okay, so you're going to notice two things I did there. One is I kept my finger on the screen pretty much the whole time. I found that holding it on the screen, I used to do kind of a tap approach, just like get one or two at a time. But I found that holding on screen is actually faster, especially early levels when there's not as much kind of crap floating around that you could suck in. So I hold my finger on the screen, and I also try and get all the timepieces. So that's kind of my main strategy there. And you see, I got 56 seconds. So the timepieces give me a few more seconds. And so according to this, it looks like it only took me 4 seconds to do. So that's kind of my key there. So here you'll see that I kind of abandoned the holding it all down approach and did a little bit more of a tap approach. Um, I still got one of the things in there. It still came in over 50 seconds. I think 50 seconds is kind of a threshold for me. So you'll notice that I switch back to the tapping approach. Generally when it gets crowded like that, I like to tap. It's a little bit more direct and I don't get things stuck in there. But I do like to really suck up as much as I can right up at the beginning. And there's a lot of junk all next to each other. I find the most risky time is when things are moving fast because your little suction will stay open for a couple seconds longer than you had wanted it to. Okay, so as you remember here, all of my times were above, I had 50, more than 50 seconds left. So let's see how many bonus points I was able to get. So 15, I try and shoot for 15 if I can. Sometimes I'm able to get 20. That's like really fast. So 15 is a good one for me. I consider this okay.